Hey guys, and welcome to our video where we'll show you how to open a blocked account with Fintiba. Follow each and every step with me, and by the end of it, you'll be able to open your very own Fintiba account. Okay, so the first step is to go to our website, fintiba.com. This is our homepage, and you scroll right down to these three packages. For this case, we choose the blocked account, which is also known as Fintiba Basic, and click on Open Account Now. You are then led to our registration page where you'll be asked a few questions that will help you open your blocked account. The first question is if you're going to be applying for any university studies in Germany. For this case, we'll say yes, I am. And then you'll be asked to calculate your total blocked amount. The current blocked amount is 934 euros per month, but this is subject to change from 1st September or the winter semester of 2024-2025, and the new amount will be 992, so that is the amount we'll use for the sake of this video. And if you're going to be studying in Germany, chances are you'll need your blocked account for at least 12 months. Then when you scroll down, your total blocked amount will be calculated for you, and all you have to do is click continue. Then you'll have to give in your nationality. You can either select your nationality if it's shown here or type it in. I will type in my nationality. And then you're asked if you have a second one. I do not, and for the sake of the video, I'll also say that I do not. Then you have to enter your city of birth and click continue. Then give in your relationship status. And this question is also very important if you're tax liable in more than one country. If you are, please select yes, I am. And if you're not, no, I am not. Then you'll have to state which country you are tax liable in and enter your TIN. If you do not know your TIN, then you can select I do not know my TIN and simply continue with the process. And if you do know your TIN, please enter it in this given field. Then please select the gender that is stated in your passport and enter your date of birth. Then please enter your first name and your last name or your surname, and it is very important at this point to enter your names as exactly as they're stated in your passport, meaning if you have multiple first names, please enter all of them in the first name section, and if you have multiple last names as well, please do so. Then please let us know if you're taxable in the USA. If you are not, all the checkpoints are already selected for you, and you can click that you do confirm that you're not a US tax resident. And then you will need to enter your address. At this stage, you'll be introduced to our Fintiba Plus package. This is an all-inclusive package that includes your blocked account to show proof of finances, German health insurance to offer coverage during your stay in Germany, as well as free travel health insurance that is very important for your visa application. All of these are very important requirements to get your German visa, and that's why for this step, I will choose to continue with Fintiba Plus. So after you click continue, you'll be asked to select a university. And if you've already decided on one, then please let us know which one it is. And if you didn't decide yet, no need to worry, you can let us know later in the process. So for my case, I will already select a university and the process will automatically continue. If you already know when your main course of study starts, please let us know. By this, it is meant when your university starts, so not Studienkolleg and not your language course. So for this, I will select Winter 2024 and the process continues. If you already know which German embassy or consulate you'll apply to, please select yes, I do. And if you do not yet, you can simply select decide later. If you already know, you'll be asked to select which one it is. And in my case, I'll write the German embassy Nairobi and continue the step. Then you're led to this page which has all your blocked account agreements. Select all of them and read them. Then you'd also need to agree to all our insurance agreements, so same process as with the blocked account agreements. Read and select all of them. Then after agreeing and reading all the agreements, your blocked account is just one step away. You would need to now give us your email address. And you can either move forward with the password that's suggested for you, or you can create your own password that meets the following criteria. If you have a voucher code, also please enter it here. And please select this section if you would like us to inform you about our current offers, new products, and articles through our newsletter. Also, please note that there are no immediate fees once you open your account, and your fees are only charged after you deposit the money. You also have the freedom to cancel or adjust your order before any payment. That means you are always in control. So now, after you've acknowledged this, given us your email, your password, and consented, you can finally click on Open Account Now. Before your account is fully open, there's one last step, which is entering your code so that the setup can be finished. The code will be sent to your email, and to put in your code that you will need to enter here. And after you enter that code, that was the last step to open your account. So welcome to Fintiba. And with that, your blocked account is officially open. Congratulations! In the next video, we'll show you how to verify your identity and transfer the money to your blocked account in Germany. So if you'd like to see more tutorials from us, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and we hope to see you in the next one.